In today's video, we're building a simple yet powerful ultrasonic distance detector using an HC-SR04 sensor, an LED, and an Arduino Uno. This project is great for beginners and helps you understand the basics of obstacle detection using sound waves. This type of distance detection system is widely used in parking assistance sensors in cars, smart trash bins, obstacle avoiding robots. Let's go over the circuit. Here's what we used and how we connected it. HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor connections. VCC goes to 5V on the Arduino, GND connects to GND, trig pin is connected to digital pin 9, echo pin is connected to digital pin 10, LED circuit. The long leg of the LED goes to a 220 ohm resistor, the resistor is connected to digital pin 13. The short leg of the LED connects to GND. This exact circuit setup allows us to detect objects and trigger the LED when something comes within range. Here's how the system works behind the scenes. The Arduino sends a pulse to the trig pin of the sensor. The sensor emits ultrasonic waves. When the wave hits an object, it reflects back to the sensor. The echo pin reads the time it took for the wave to return. The Arduino calculates the distance using the formula. Distance equals time times speed of sound, divided by 2. If the object is within 10 centimeters, the LED lights up. If there's no object in range, the LED stays off. Let's test it out. As I move my hand closer, within 10 centimeters, the LED turns on. If I move it away, it turns off. Simple and effective. You can adjust the distance threshold in the Arduino code to suit different applications. And there you have it, a fully working ultrasonic distance detector using Arduino. This is a great foundation for more advanced automation and robotics projects. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tech tutorials. Comment below what project you want to see next.